rooftop.
I look so rough. Hi guys, it is Kenzie. As you can tell, I'm losing my voice because I'm getting sick. I wanted to share with you guys my get ready with me routine type thing for school. This was requested a lot. I'm in college. For those of you guys that don't know, I go to Salem State University. This semester is super different than any other semester I've ever had. I'm taking all online classes, and one of my classes that I'm taking requires a lab, so that is my only on-campus class of this semester. A lot of people ask why I do that, and it's because I travel. This semester especially, I'm traveling a ton, and the previous semesters, it was really hard to travel and stay in school and not rack up a ton of absences. If you guys are in college or are familiar with college classes, it all depends also on your school. My school allows 3 unexcused absences per class. So while I'm traveling, I think that I'm only missing 1 of my in-person classes. So that was another question I got once I addressed that I was traveling a lot this semester. If you wear makeup, you know that you have multiple makeup routines for different situations. I have my everyday makeup routine. I have my no makeup look. I have my just rolled out of bed, no makeup at all. And then I have my college, what I wear to school makeup routine. Let's get started. I hope you guys can sit through my voice. I'm already annoyed with myself. I already washed my face. I use the Shea Moisture Black African soap, which I love and I really recommend. It's starting to clear up my face. I don't think I can talk through this video. Oh my god. I also use the Shea Moisture toner, which I also think is helping my face. And then I just moisturize. I use the It Cosmetics. I think it's called like Secret Sauce or something. Again, if you guys have any recommendations for college videos or videos you want to see from me, let me know in the comments. I have a million primers that I use, but for school is this Smashbox primerizer. It's like a moisturizer and a primer in one, and it just kind of makes you look like glowy and dewy. I don't think that this is the best primer in the world, but it holds the makeup that I put on my face for school long enough. It also kind of shears out my foundation, which I don't mind, especially for classes. My foundation routine currently is mixing these two foundations, and I wish that I could only use this one because it is a lot more sheer, but it's just the wrong color for me, so I have to mix something lighter in with it. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and I love this stuff, and it creates a little concoction. So I just put this all over my face. You heard what from who? It's not a reliable source. I just blend everything in with my little blender. What is this called? Beauty blender. Yeah. This is weird. Does it always this blue? Okay, I feel like the color on screen looks really weird and makes my face look super orange, but I swear it's not like that in person, so I don't know what's happening. Because I'm sick and my eyes are super puffy and red and gross, I'm gonna take a little tiny bit of Shape Tape and just put this underneath my eyes, and that's it. That's all I care about. Now I'm gonna set my face. I go with my MAC, what is this, Studio Fix powder. This is a little bit light for me, so it's gonna like even out this dark foundation.
Okay. And thank you for providing the time and flexibility for all the other brave survivors to make their statement. It wasn't until I started watching the impact statements from the other, and now Larry, it's your turn to listen to me.
Because I can't go anywhere without a little bit of glow, I'm going to take my more subtle highlight. This is Too Faced Candlelight Glow. I'm going to mix these two sides. I don't like blush. I never like blush on an everyday basis. So this gives me a little bit of color as well as highlight. So I just put this on my brow. I just put this on my cheekbone and right above my eyebrow. What is with these alarms? Leave me alone. You guys should know that one of my favorite brow products for quick and easy application is the Benefit Brow. I think it's called Brow Wiz, or is that Anastasia Brow Wiz? It's the little spoolie with product on it that you can just apply to your eyebrows and be fine. They either discontinued it or they like are remaking their formula. Anyways, it's not in stores and I don't have it. So I tried to make my own with this little elf one and I just like crumbled up some of my brow powder. So this is okay for the meantime. So I just comb this through my brows, and because of foundation and stuff, my brows get like weirdly undefined, so I like to set them as well as place a little bit of color into them. And then last but not least, I do mascara. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. I'm gonna go with my waterproof all-time favorite.
Since it leaves survivors questioning the organizations, and even imagine how it feels to be an innocent teenager in a foreign country. I felt guilty because you were a doctor, so I assumed I was the problem for thinking badly of you.
And once I let my mascara dry a little bit, I will spray my face with some Fix Plus Urban Decay setting spray. And that is my quick get ready with me for class. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video on Friday. Bye!
She loves control. She wants to